Hi, my name's Joan Jack. I'm an independent Norwex consultant, and I'm coming to you live from our home in Atlan, British Columbia. And my husband, Brian Jack, is the cameraman, and this is our mop handle, and this is a new one. I had the same one for like 4.5 years. Basically, it's the same. Some of the mechanism has changed, though. The other one, I used to just put my foot on it and do like this to it, but now they have this new and improved thing here that says close and open, and then so you open it, and then the mop can adjust to a very small height if you have, you know, children that want to participate, or a very high height if you've got like really tall people in your family, like maybe you got a 6'5" husband or something, or maybe you want to reach to a high place in the house. So it's supposed to, they say ergonomically, go to your chin, not toe. Oh my God. And you turn it to the left to close, okay? And so it locks it in place. And I'm going to also show you this. The mop is locked right now. It's only going to go one direction. If you want to zoom in here, babe, I just want to show them the little lock mechanism. There's a little lock mechanism. It's really easy to use. Some of those other mops that lock, it's like so complicated. This one, now it swivels in all directions. Okay, so we're going to come over here and talk about the different pads that it comes with. This is also the dog blanket, dog towel, I mean. Really super absorbent, but I know you don't probably don't bath your big dogs, but people who have little dogs, we bathed Yeti the other day, it was awesome. So these two pads come with the Just Add Water system, and then these are the add-on pads. This pad here is really good for if you have a lot of pet hair or dust in your home. This is the one you would use. And then this is the tile mop pad, and this is the window mop pad. And this is another dusting tool that I'm going to show you adds onto our mop. So we're going to start by using the dry mop. If you have baseboards in your house, you want to put it on this way so that it can clean your baseboards and dust your baseboards. But I don't have any in this house, so I just put it on second. In your area, you're supposed to do like an S move with the mop, and you see how nicely it gets underneath things. And over here, I'm going to go over here and get really brave and go under this couch here, which no one's been under in months.
Years.
God knows what we're going to find under there. Ah! Ooh! Okay, let's go over to I'm just going to go over to the garbage can now and brush. Yeah, no, there's no dead animals. I'm joking. Yeah, but that's okay. You can see how much dirt we got.
Oh my God. So dirty.
Is it so dirty? Come here in the picture. Mia, come in the picture.
It's so dirty.
Okay, so now we take the handy dandy blue brush, which is amazing at brushing hair and stuff off of your car seats if you have cloth car seats, or off of your couch, and just do this with your mop pad, and ta-da, it's all clean again. So now that's it. See, it's clean again. You can use that for several more times. It's amazing.
Ask the cat to play with
Yeah, see, I think it's almost time for you to help. Okay, hang on.
But first I'm gonna eat.
Oh, okay, you're not going to help? Okay. Same thing, if you had baseboards you wanted to wash, you would put this to the side. I don't, so I'm just going to do this. And then the amazing thing, you can watch other mop demos on YouTube that are not as funny as this at all. They're very professional. So, but in some of the demos, they do run the pad under the top and then wring it out. And I went through phases where I did that, and then I went through another phase where I got like an empty water bottle and I threw water all over the floor. And then I really realized for our home, we're really just damp mopping. So you just have to squirt a little bit of water. Did you want to squirt? Okay, here comes my squirter.
The little squirt.
The little squirt. You're funny, babe. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We don't want too much. Okay, so just you keep this in your hands and I'll call you when I need more. So same thing, and the great thing I love about my favorite thing about this mop system is that you don't have to wait for the floor to dry. It's just clean, and you'll feel it if there's something on the floor, because you're mopping the floor with an EnviroCloth basically, and you'll feel it if there's something on the floor, so you just know to push a little bit more, or you know, scrub a little bit more. Okay, and so you want to come square, and you don't have to see it with me as, does the floor feel wet or no? It's good, eh?
No, it doesn't feel wet.
Tell the camera.
It doesn't feel wet.
Phew, amazing. Okay, spray some more. And the wonderful thing too is that with our products, because you're not washing the floor with chemicals, her little feet didn't pick up any, perfect, great job. Her little feet didn't pick up any chemicals. All right, let's go over here now. And we're gonna brush this off just to make sure, because we're gonna quickly demonstrate how it works on the window. Remember we did, and to do your windows, you want to lock the, handle. Okay, sure, but not too much. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. You don't want too much water. Okay. Did you want to do this part, or are you the sprayer? Are you the mopper or the sprayer?
Sprayer.
The sprayer, okay, I'll be the mopper. So you're, like I was saying, you're using your EnviroCloth basically to do your window. And it's so easy. You want to go outside too? Don't you think it's cold? Okay, we could go outside of this, sure.
And then spray the window and then you clean it.
Okay, we'll go outside. Let's go then. Okay,
We are gonna go outside and
maybe tell the camera. What are we gonna do?
we're gonna go outside and spray the window, and you can watch us from up here.
Okay. Okay, so now we've cleaned it with an EnviroCloth fabric that is the same. The mop is, this pad is the same fabric as the EnviroCloth. Now we're going to take the window one.
And now we're gonna dry.
Yes, now we're going to dry and polish. Did you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'll do this then. Okay, I'll put that there. Okay, come on then. Okay. There's also a shorter handle for this too that's in the catalog if you want it, we're like inside like this. Yeah, I hum too. You gotta hum, otherwise it doesn't work as good. Okay, good job. Can I just finish it off? All right. So that's as easy as it is. Look how sparkling that window is. And of course we would go outside if we were doing this for real. We'd go outside and do the outside, but we're not. So I wanted to show you one more thing. This here is a handheld duster thing. So if you're, I'm so good with the technical names. Or no, we don't spray on the dusting one. No, sorry. Yeah. So this bends, and if you're just using it like this, this comes as a part of the just add water. And I could reach here. See? I could reach that. So then you can take it off, and you can add it to your mop handle. Okay, and then if I wanted to get that really tall peak up there, see up here, if I really cared that there was dust up there, which I don't, but I'm just showing you. Or if you have fans in your home, you can extend the mop and easily. Okay, you're kind of grabbing. I don't like it when people grab. Okay, we're gonna do manners. Okay, so I think that's, and bend it. What are you gonna dust? Oh, the window. Okay.
And could you take this off?
And take that. Oh gosh. Okay. God. Oh. Okay. My new boss. Okay. There you go. All right. So that's the mop system. There are a couple of ways you can get the mop system. You can buy it retail by itself. The The Superior Mop System comes with the 2 pads, obviously the mop part, this part here, and the handle. Or you can buy it as a part of the Just Add Water system, which combines the Safe Haven 5 and the mop system and this. And then you get that for $280. Or you can host a party and earn credits, and they can be applied towards anything you want to purchase, including a mop handle. All of these specialty pads are extra. And if you have a trailer, we have a small system as well. All right, that's it.